Okay lang ba na everyday ang homemade low-carb bread? Hindi po ako nabubusog pag wala pong bread. Thank you. Okay lang po ito in the context of your net carb allowance for the day. Anong ibig sabihin nun? First of all, syempre yung stage ng journey. May mga tao who take up low carb and fasting kasi matindi yung kanilang pangangailangan. Siguro hindi masyado maganda yung medical condition nila, daming komplikasyon. So in that case, they will have to do yung low carb ng clean low carb talaga para mas mabilis yung epekto, para mas mabilis ma-reverse yung mga nararamdaman. Ngayon, kung kayo naman ay nasa maintenance phase, hindi naman ganun kalala ang inyong kondisyon, kesa naman po high carb bread, then you can do the low carb bread in the context of your net carb allowance for the day. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, net carb allowance for the day, so for our newbies po, meron tayong tatlong categories under low carb. Meron tayong ketogenic, meron tayong moderate and liberal. So, moderate, normally, karamihan ng mga low carbers stay here. Is between 20 to 50 grams per day ng net carb. Kung hindi pa po kayo marunong mag-compute ng net carb content, I encourage you po, kailangan nito. It's a very basic knowledge ng low carber. Pakipanood po, ayan, sa YouTube channel natin, i-type lang ninyo Dr. Iris net carb para maintindihan ano ba yung net carb. So, balik tayo doon sa category, doon sa tatlong kategorya na yun. If you're following keto, that's the lowest net carb content category po. So, let's say, you're following up to 20 grams of net carb per day kasi yun talaga yung kailangan niyo to meet your health goals. Then, in that way, just be mindful of yung, for example, usual net carb bread, depende sa pagkakagawa, depende sa mga ingredients na ginamit. Usual net carb bread is around anywhere between 1 gram to all the way to 6 grams or 7 grams. So take that into account. If that is still falling within yung net carb allowance for the day, then that's fine, right? So if you're doing like say 20 grams of net carb per day, tapos yung bread na nakakain mo naman, it's amounting to let's say 6-7 grams and that's it, then that's fine. Kasi nasa loob pa rin siya ng allowance. So it's okay. Again, there are a few things to consider. And yung net carb allowance for the day is one of them, and the stage of the journey is the other thing. Yung ingredients, the better if you make it yourself. Kasi syempre, you know exactly what went into it.